Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will going to discuss in this video about the Lab Plus TCP and OSI model. So first, let's proceed to the TCP model and OSI model development. On the TCP model development, the TCP model was developed in 1970s, whereas OSI model was developed in 1980s. Hence, the layers of both models also differ. TCP model has four layers which are named as network interface, transport internet, and application layer. While the OSI model has seven different layers named as application, presentation, transport, session, network, data link, and physical. So, and in terms of approaches, the TCP, the TCP model is the transition control protocol is seen to be applied in horizontal approach. While the OSI model, the approaches here is while the OSI model is being applied in vertical approach. So the TCP is horizontal approach while the OSI is vertical approach. And according to the design and development, the transmission control protocol TCP and internet protocol IP was designed first, then they were set to development procedure. While open system interconnection model was developed first, then it was designed in different ways. And in terms of layer, TCP or IP protocol combines the session layer and presentation layer into the application layer, while the OSI model combines session and presentation layer into a presentation by different techniques. And in terms of stability and restrictions, TCP is the transmission control protocol provides you with more stability as it is more reliable. On the contrary, open system interconnection model OSI is considered as a strict model because of its boundaries. Its strict boundaries bounds user in between them, while there are not any strict boundaries in transmission control protocol. And by the term of connectionless transmission, the TCP transmission control protocol holds connectionless transmission. Mean to say that if you want to send message to another user and internet connection, if unavailable, then you transmit data without confirming the receiver is available or not. While the OSI, but on the other hand, OSI open system interconnection model allows both operations to operate. And when the delivery guarantee was being said, in the transmission control protocol doesn't ensure the delivery of data packets to the receiver, wherever open system interconnection model ensures the delivery of data packets to the receiver connection. So, in the stability and restriction, in the flow control of these two category, transmission control protocol sends data in a flow. In TCP, when the receiving mode becomes overflowing, TCP regulates the transport layer from the sender. In the open system interconnection model, flow of the data is not supported. In the data arrangement, TCP or IP arranges the data in the order specified by the user. The OSI, in OSI, the arrangement of data is not done because each data segment is independent of each other. In the data travel, in terms of data travel, in transmission control protocol, the data reaches the destination in the form of series, while the OSI models, in the open system interconnection model, the data reaches the second end to the receiver in random manner. So, in the logical operations are set up in transmission control protocol before the sending of packet data. However, in OSI, each packet is treated individually. And in protocol replacement, in TCP/IP, the protocols are not changeable, while in OSI model, the protocols are unchangeable. So, in error checking, in transmission control protocol, the faulty segments are resent to the receiver, while in the open system interconnection model, the false segments are abandoned because the error recovery is not supported in OSI model. And when the transmissions delay in TCP protocol during the transmission of data, some of delay occurs. But when the connection is established, it sends data very fast. In OSI reference model, don't provide any delay event even when the connection establishment is obstructed. So, in the protocol replacement, in TCP or IP, the protocols are not changeable because the individual protocol is not hidden. While in open system interconnection model, the protocols are exchangeable because protocols are hidden. Signaling. In terms of signaling, connection is established through the signals in the transmission control protocol. There is no concept of signals in OSI model. Protocols distinction. Services, interface, and protocols are not characterized in transmission control protocol, where services, interface, and protocols are not characterized in transmission control. In the application layer of Internet in transmission control protocol allows the application to access the service of the other layers. But in OSI model, applications layer communicate directly with the software to provide interaction function as required by protocol. In the transport layer, the process of arrangement and acceptance packet data is done by TCP protocol, provides with safe transmission services. While the process of arrangement and acceptance of packet data is done by TCP protocol with safe transmission services. In considering the above information, in my given differentiate by the two, considering the information I give, it can be concluded that TCP model is more trustworthy than OSI model. The basic use of TCP/IP is the transmission of data through internet from end-to-end connection. TCP is flexible, robust, and tangible, and it also gives suggestions of the way by which data should be transmitted. So overall, TCP model is more convenient than OSI because it said that it is very reliable. TCP is more reliable model as compared to OSI model because the internet was developed around it. The TCP combines the OSI data link and physical internet network access layer. while the OSI model is a reference model, where TCP is an implementation of OSI model. So that's all for today. I hope, guys, that you learn about the TCP and OSI models. So thank you for watching. See you on my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my other videos that will be uploaded. Bye, guys!